Zip it.
All right, Brett, are you an early bird or a late worm?
Early bird.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I should probably wait till this is dry.
I'm probably a late worm, but I wish I was an early bird.
Is that what's the question? Are you
Early bird or late worm?
Yeah, I would have said I've always traditionally been the late worm, but maybe starting to understand the value of being the early bird.
I can do early bird for about a week, and then I'd regress back to late red.
Park run.
Yeah, park run.
I like the position of the late worm. It's less capo. Doesn't get eaten by the early bird like the early worms do.
Late worm. Absolutely a late worm.
I'll tell him.
Under the ground, it's always going to be a good, consistent temperature.
Birdworm.
But sometimes both. Actually, both sometimes. Late and then, as long as you get 7 hours of sleep, no worries.
James.
Yeah, historically a late bird worm, but if I gotta get up for something, I can get up pretty early.
How early?
8.
It's not that early.
Let's start with Bonnie.
Start with me. I'd say I'm an early bird.
Definitely an early bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Could you in focus?
I'll leave this one with David in that.
Oh yeah.
Is he still asleep?
Yeah, that's easy. You don't need a fork with you.
Asleep now.
Okay. Are we on tour? I guess we are.
you're on tour.
I guess we are on tour. Well, we've had one morning. I think I was up first.
So?
I'm kind of a late bird against my will, a bit of insomnia, but I'm turning more into an early bird. This one gets me up in the morning.
Fair. Okay, are you an early bird or a late worm, Opal?
Yeah, no, definitely, probably, most likely sleeping in, unless the sun is beating down on the swag and I'm getting roasted.
You mean the band of fishermen?
Yeah.
I'm just filming Dara getting dressed on the back. David, I think you've answered that question.
Good morning, David.
I'm the latest worm.
Are you an early bird or late worm, Phoebe?
Actually, somewhat of an early bird.
Sweet.
On tour, a bit more of a later worm.
That value part. What about you, Kayla?
I think mine's probably Jordan's Bakery in Broadmeadow.